Introduction to Accounting Learning Objectives. This chapter would enable you to understand 1. Meaning and definition of accounting, 2. Attributes of accounting, 3. Accounting process, 4. Bookkeeping. Let us see the meaning and definition of accounting. Accounting is a systematic process of identifying, measuring, recording, classifying, summarizing, interpreting, and communicating financial information. So, do you all know accounting also gives information on the resources that are available, how the available resources have been employed, and the results achieved by their use. It shows the profit earned or loss incurred during the accounting period, value and nature of assets, liabilities, and owners' equity, that is capital. Accounting is the art of recording, classifying, and summarizing in a significant manner and in terms of money, transactions, and events which are in part at least of a financial character and interpreting the results thereof. This definition was given by American Institute of Certified Public Accountants. Next, we have attributes, that is characteristics of accounting. The definition of accounting bring to light the following attributes of accounting. 1. That is identifying financial transaction and event. This means that identification is the process of determining which transaction and events are to be recorded. 2. That is measuring the identified transaction. This means accounting measures the transaction and events in terms of common measurement unit. Number 3, that is recording. Accounting is an art of recording financial transactions in the books of account. Number 4, classifying. Accounting is an art of classifying financial transactions. Classification is the process of collecting similar transactions at one place by opening accounts in the ledger book. Fifth, that is summarizing. Accounting is an art of summarizing financial transactions. This involves presenting the classified data in a manner which is understandable and useful to internal as well as external users of accounting statements. 6. Analysis and interpretation. Financial data is analyzed and interpreted so that the users of financial data can make a meaningful assessment of the financial performance, profit, and financial position of the business. Also, we know that analysis always helps in planning the future in a better way. 7. Communicating. Finally, accounting involves communicating the data, financial data, of course, financial statements to its users. The accounting information should be provided in turn to the users so that decisions are taken at the appropriate time. Accounting process. Analyzing and classify data about an economic event, journalizing the transaction, posting from the journals to general ledger, preparing the unadjusted trial balance, recording adjusting entries, preparing the adjusted trial balance, preparing financial statements, and lastly recording closing entries. Do you all know about branches of accounting? With the changing time, following specialized branches of accounting have emerged to meet the changes requirement. We have following 3 branches of accounting. It's financial accounting, cost accounting, and management accounting. I would like to give a little information of these 3 accounting, so it will be really kind of you if you all listen to me carefully. First, financial accounting. What is it? Financial accounting is that branch of accounting which records financial transaction events, summarizes and interprets them before communicating the results to the users. The next is cost accounting. This branch of accounting is concerned with ascertaining cost of products, operations, process or activities. And the very next, that is management accounting. It is the most recently developed branch of accounting. It is concerned with generating accounting information relating to funds, cost, profit, etc. as it enables the management in decision making. Today's last topic, that is bookkeeping. Definition of bookkeeping. Bookkeeping is an art of recording in the books of account the monetary aspect of commercial and financial transaction. Given by Northcote. Bookkeeping involves identifying financial transactions and events measuring them in terms of money, recording the identified financial transaction and events in the books of account, and also classifying the recorded transaction and events. Thank you for being with us in our video, and if you like our video, please subscribe to our channel